guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I connect Shopify to make.com. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to log into your make.com account. Okay, and of course, I also have here my Shopify account. Okay, so once you are here on your make.com account, you just have to simply tap on the create scenario option. So this one at the top. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so you have this big add icon. So you just have to simply tap on this one and then you just have to search for apps or modules. Okay, so I'm just going to tap it right here, Shopify. So this one. Okay, so you just have to select your trigger after that. So for example, we just want to watch products. Simply tap on it and then we just have to create a connection. Okay, and then just select your connection type. That's right. And then here, just have it to type out your Shopify subdomain. Make sure that your subdomain is active. For example, I'm just going to select this one. That's right. After that, you just have to tap on the save option, and then another tab will open right here. So you just have to authorize. Okay, so let me just back to safety. So after you authorize make.com to be connected to your Shopify store, so you'd be able to see here now the option where you can watch the orders inside your Shopify store. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.